All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in something a little different than California Cars usually has, but it's a 2016 F250 Super Crew or Super Duty Crew Cab 4x4 Lariat, which means it's a loaded truck. And it's got that awesome diesel, that 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It's like 440 horsepower, 860 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is great. So if you got like a classic car and you want to tow it on a trailer or something, this would be it. And it's like a Cadillac inside. This thing has a full leather interior, heated, ventilated seats, rear heated seats, sunroof, navigation. It's got the sync system, which is really nice. You pair your phone to it, and of course you got Bluetooth, listen to Spotify or Sirius, whatever you want. But really comfortable truck. I mean, especially for an F250, because it's a truck, man. It's got heavy duty suspension. This one has the addition of some airbags in the back if you wanted to tow something heavier. Just a really neat vehicle, nice chrome. It's got the amp research steps that drop down. Comfortable to be able to get up in it because it's a little high. It's got the factory 20-inch chrome wheels with some Falkens on there, all terrains. But we'll get up here and we'll take some more pictures for you and show you how this thing looks up close. Look at it, if you get on it, it goes. Ooh, these diesels are powerful. All right, take some more pictures. All right, check out this beautiful 2016 F250 Super Duty Crew Cab Lariat. Lariat's like one of the top. I think there's a Platinum, it's above this, but Lariat's got almost all the same stuff. Leather heated seats, sunroof, navigation. This one's got the 20-inch wheels. Has the amp research steps that drop down. Those are really helpful. The addition to this truck has been some rear airbags and a leveling kit. Makes it look stocky, really cool, rides nice. If you want to put some extra weight in the back, you can with those bags. But it's already a 3/4 ton pickup, so it'll haul whatever you want it to. But it's like a luxury truck. I mean, they're loaded. The air blows freezing cold. The heated seats are real nice in the winter. Good for the sand, snow, trail riding, hunting, tow your boat, tow your race car, or just drive a truck, man. I love driving a truck. This is a one owner, so California truck since new. I have all the paperwork, 2 keys, books, records. Actually has a rebuilt transmission. It was still under warranty. It felt a little funny, you know, right before the warranty ends up, you run it into the shop and have them look at everything. Got a transmission done out of it. So truck's got 105,000 miles on it. It's nothing for a diesel, especially that 6.7 power stroke. Like I said earlier, 440 horsepower, 860 foot-pounds of torque. Thing's very powerful. Goes right on down the road. Here's your little leveling kit. Show you inside real quick. That's those steps that drop down automatically and close up when you shut the door. But nice center console. It's got charging ports everywhere. Also has a AC 110 volts. You can plug something in if you want to. All these auxiliary switches are dead because you can add things. You want to add lights, you want to add something additional, front camera, you can. It already has a backup camera and sensors. Steering wheel controls. Really nice center console. Put all your goodies in there. Power seats, of course. Even the back seat's real comfortable. You can lock that, put your stuff under the seat, the storage compartment under there. Headrest. It's got a sliding electric window. There's also a slider in the shell, so you got your dog back there and wants to peek through and look at you. You can do that. The rear air control, another 110 AC plug there. Got a nice sound system in it too. I think sounds great. Beautiful truck, just to drive every day if you want, or haul your toys. Here's the power plant and the diesel truck. Look at that, 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Dual batteries. This thing's ready for work or play. I'm so short I can barely even show you the motor. We'll go ahead and fire this thing up. It's got power fold-away mirrors too, which is nice for the car wash. All right, turn the key. These new diesels too, they're so quiet, they don't smell. Look at that little screen. Pretty cool. Little infotainment center there. Nice and stock, no modifications under the hood, no smog problems, no cat delete. You don't need any of that. These cars have plenty of power, these trucks. You don't have to modify them if you don't. You can put a lift kit or something if you want. Different wheels and tires. But you leave them alone, they'll last you a long time. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you this truck. And like I said, I got all the documents on it, service records, Carfax, one owner, ready to go.